All right, we're back. So now we are going to go into our last home stretch of, I won't call it a home stretch, but we're getting close, of using drawings or creating drawings. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the new, and I'm going to select create drawing. Okay. Now you may have a little bit more templates. You can go ahead, whatever. I just have the one, but if you have most, ANSI A-inch is just fine. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and hit OK. And what this drawing does is it allows us to demonstrate what you have and have made, and then all the dimensions associated with it. So the first piece I like to do the assembly view. So I'm going to go ahead and select assemblies. I'm going to choose assembly 1. When I do that, I'm going to go down to the bottom left hand corner, and this is called the front view. We've talked a little bit about that. All right, the front view shows the most contour and the largest dimensions. I'm going to click once. That's going to set the base. I'm going to move straight upwards. Click again. That's what we call our top view. Now, this is called a projected view, so everything basically revolves off this front view. So I'm going to project from the front view. I'm going to click on there once. I'm going to move up to the top right. Okay, click again. That is the isometric view. Last but not least, I'm going to click on the front, move to the right, click again. That's what we call the right side view. All of these together we call multi-view. So we have the front, the top, the isometric, the right side. Okay. Now, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and press the escape key to get out of my projected view. The only thing we do with the isometric is to right click, and we're going to show the shaded view. We don't dimension, we don't do anything with that, we just simply show the shaded view. In the other views, we can pick and choose which way we want to go. I'm going to show you the basic way, but we need to dimension the pieces. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, and I'm going to look for dimension. And because we put a fillet on there, you're going to have an inside and outside line. You want to make sure to be choosing the outside lines. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, click on one, move over, click on the other, move upwards, click again. Now you should be getting the exact thing, okay? Just like we looked at the tray dimensions, you should see 19, okay? If you don't, you probably clicked on one of these little inside pieces. We don't want that, okay? Click down here, this should be 11, bingo. Boom. Okay, so now I have the width, I have the height. All right, I'm going to use this for the thickness. It's the right side and the top view kind of talk through the isometric in regards to the alignment. Right now I just want to make sure I get the right stuff. So I'm going to go outside to outside. Okay. And if it can't fit inside, just move it to the left or move it inside. And then you'll notice that I kind of screwed up on this. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press my escape key. I'm going to click on that, and then there's a little delete key. Okay, that's right above your arrows, right next to a backslash. I'm going to press that. That's gone. All right. And then last but not least, normally we would do a radius, but I'm going to do that in the next piece right here. The radius is that curvature, it's that fillet that we put on. In the assembly view, we don't need it as much, but for the rest of them, we should be doing that, absolutely. So that's the steps, okay? Step by step, you insert the front, you can project the top, you can project the right, you can project the isometric, and then you're going to give overall dimensions. In the next video, I'm going to go over all the pieces together.